Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Audi Rs7 in Forza Horizon 5. First, let's look at the festival playlist, a primary way to earn exclusive cars. Then, we'll explore the auction house, where you can purchase vehicles from other players. Finally, I'll share some quick tips to help you secure this amazing car for your garage. The festival playlist is a fantastic way to earn new cars, including the Audi Rs7. Each series lasts for 4 weeks, with new challenges appearing weekly. You'll need to complete various events, like races and PR stunts, to accumulate enough points. Once you reach the required point threshold, the Audi Rs7 will be yours to claim directly from the playlist menu. If the Audi Rs7 isn't currently in the festival playlist, the auction house is your next best bet. Head to the auction house from your garage or a festival site. Search specifically for the Audi Rs7 and browse the available listings. You can place bids or use the buyout option for an instant purchase. Prices can vary, so be ready with a good amount of credits. To maximize your chances, always keep an eye on the festival playlist updates. New cars rotate in and out regularly. Also, consistently check the auction house, as new listings appear frequently. Saving your credits is crucial, as popular cars like the Audi Rs7 can command high prices. With these strategies, you'll be cruising in your new Audi Rs7 in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.